Hey guys, Owen Prince here, back with Goblin Slayer Season 2, Episode 7. Last time, we found what might theoretically, potentially, most definitely not be an elephant. Also, there was fan service, unfortunately. A meeting with Ranger's sister. She's getting married. Prince, she's Queen of the Elves or something. Her fiance is a bit of a firebrand, not a firebrand, but real go get 'em attitude. And yeah, that's immediately it in terms of things. Uh, I think you guys know the drill. Stuff down below, do with it as you see fit. Dishonored Wednesdays, Goblin Fridays. Got some videos in the pipeline that are actual content. So hopefully those will be out soon. But without any further ado, let's get started. And we're 5. Disturbing. Is that like a brontosaurus of some sort? But yeah, in terms of what I'm working on, may as well let you guys have a real fast peek behind the curtain beyond this being recorded on March 21st. Got a Ghostwire Tokyo video that I'm uh, getting clips for. After that, just gonna need to edit, get music, go through that whole loop. Started on the Sekiro tutorial video. Really want to get that one out because I feel there's actual stuff to say about that beyond trying to figure stuff out for my whatchamacallit Ghostwire video. Uh, yeah, need to figure out what series I'm gonna do after this one because it's changing and or not changing, but we've got 4 episodes left at this point. But yeah, well, reasonable enough. Yeah, no shit. Uh huh. You ever seen this old movie, Star Wars? Empire Strikes Back? Fucking hell. Goblins. Yep. Oh, hey, General. Jingly little bits. Well, normally goblins aren't attached to a fucking prehistoric monster. Alright. One less goblin. One flat goblin. Oh, going with the yell at it in a rather aggressive manner route. I will be surprised if it actually knocks it out. Oh. Uh-huh. What's our... Okay, so we are doing... That's gotta be some magic-ass rope to do that. Yeah. It's in surprisingly good shape, all things considered. Mm-hmm. I wonder why. Yep. This theoretical father that definitely exists. And at this point, we're we're pushing past. This is like final-ish chapter that's out. Is this a actual language or well, may as well be there to watch him burn out. Oh, and switching back to common. Uh-huh. Yep. Uh-huh. Well, she's special like that. Oh. Uh-huh. Of course. Stag party? Yep. Translation: get shit-faced, pretty boy. Maybe. Kill them. Mm-hmm. What if we used soldiers, the dragon bone people, to draw them out? Hmm. Sylphs? Oh. Yep, well, they're not bright, but they're clever. Oh, would you look at that? His helmet almost came off. Hmm. Uh-huh. How lovely. Is everyone having their own fucking picture? Yep. Yes. Cold feet the day before. Um, did. And live. Uh-huh. Even if that one is worth 1,000. Oh. Save other people from her fate. How lovely. Are there goblins available? Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep, someone's gotta clean up the scraps. Uh-huh. Why the fuck are we focusing like this? Of all the angles you could choose, are those really the ones? I mean, uh-huh. Yep, well, he's... I think he's a bit too special in the head to fully care at the moment. And what does the elixir do? Oh. Mm-hmm. Really? Is this? This definitely seems like a Everglades analogy. Yep. Oh. It's going to be a decoy to draw fire. Yep. Man, those rocks will really do massive amounts of damage. Yep. Assassino. Yep. Stay hidden and all that. I think that might have been a bit overkill. Yep. Really. He'll. No. How the hell do you think he'll jump quietly? And your bolas haven't been. Of all the weapons I've messed around with, bolas are one that I don't quite understand. Like, I know how to do it, but I just can't make it work. Dear. Huh. That looks like a decent quality spear. Yep. Oh. Oh boy. Yep. That's that's something nasty. Some Vlad the Impaler type shit. Oh. Breach the dam. That I think last manga episode they breached into the dam, but haven't actually messed around. Yeah. Low. Uh-huh. Hmm. What's that damn paper say? Since when were you a lockpick? Add it to your jangly staff. No. Of course. Wonder what language that's based off of. Oh, wow. You fucking throwing her like a sack of potatoes? Yeah, this is new territory for me, so I'd I'd rumble around with a blade out. Oh boy. That's is it huh. Yippee. Uh-huh. Or something greater. What are we? Fucking hell. I just start pounded that room with Purify. Getting some more moments with Elf. Nope, that's not it. Uh huh. Yep. He's becoming more caring. Yep. Yep. Gotta clear the place for future. Nope. He's really changing. Mm-hmm. Yep. Sleep, sleep. Don't just rest. She's she's not having a good time. And neither are you. Well, I need to fucking check if there's a new Goblin Slayer episode out or chapter. You know what I fucking mean. Year one. Nope, roads still shut down. Uh, chapter 87. Nope. Chapter ends with forcibly being applied gunk and goblin guts. Okay. Yep, we are past the manga at this point. So, like I said, I am flying blind. But anywho, I really enjoyed seeing the evolution of their relationships from way back in season one to the group caring about each other more and everything that comes with that. Heart of Darkness. Anyway, I hope you all have enjoyed. I know I have at the very least, so yeah. But at this point, once again, stuff down below, do with it as you see fit. I'm Sven, and until next time, this is Elven Prince, signing out.